Hello, this is Arnold. In this chapter 6, we'll be talking about the typing and deterioration. Here we have the milestone for our mechanics of case analysis. We're already done with the checking, chaining, and informative sequence part. And you may be wondering na naman unta sa informative sequence ang ato basic typing. Why discuss the typing and deterioration? Why, of course, that is called basic typing for a reason. Because it is basic. In this topic, we'll be talking about more about the typing and deterioration, specifically the deterioration part, wherein we will find as na group ang kana na deterioration. So again, for a recap for the basic typing, at gamit kay ni siya, no? Especially ang kining paghinumdum nimo sa B type and sa B types, okay? Again, for our A type is toxic, and B types are the accommodative, and our C type is convergence. So what is typing and deterioration? Only for accommodative visual problems do we have deterioration. So unsa may pasabot ana niya? So this is true for both B1 and B2 type cases because our B types here are accommodative. So mo nang ang kining typing and the kining deterioration part nato is applicable only to the B1 and B2 type cases. The sequence of examples given below are for B1 hyperopic cases. Asa man ang below nga ri? Ang below kina sa next slide. Huwat lang ha. A similar series could be constructed for B2 hyperopic cases by substituting 17B for 16B. Okay? I will discuss this later on, ang kining 17B for 16B. Okay? Mo ni siya ang ato typing and deterioration, no? As you can see, they are all B types because accommodative man. And then it is composed of 1 to 7 groups. Okay? Anya, ang imo first kitaon nga ri is ang typing niya. As you can see here, ang unsa man ni siya na type, this is our basic typing. Unsay basic typing ani, muna siya ang ato B1 type, di ba? Because 16B siya. That's why we consider it to be B1. Nya asa man nagikan ang kining -1, -2, -3 that will be discussed later on, ha? Please be patient with me, okay? Unya, unsa man tong giingon kanina na a similar series could be constructed for B2 hyperopic cases by substituting 17B for 16B. So, unsa may pasabot ana? So, if ever ang kining 16B will become 17B instead of 16B, so automatically mahimo na siya og B2 and 1. Okay? As you can see here, 17B man ang ato B2 type. So mo na mahimo siya og B2 1 if ever 17B ang nasa ubos. That also applies to these other groups if ever na 17B ang ila ubos. Okay? And then we have here the management, possible management for each groups. So as you may have observed, from first to third groups na CI lens application. And then for our fourth to fifth group is lenses and visual training. And for our sixth and seventh group is visual training. So as you may have noticed, sa seventh group mo siya ang pinaka-complex og pinaka-complex og case, no? So we can assume or no, we can identify that way that the B17 type and deterioration is considered to be the most complex and deteriorated. So by that we can say that ang kining 1 to 7 is actually the leveling of our deterioration. Meaning to say, the more nga mas kuan siya, mas dako ang number sa ato deterioration, the more deteriorated ang case ana nimo na pasyente. And then when we attempt to place all accommodative interferences cases, or the B-type, into one of the 7 groups, it is obvious that there may be considerable variation in any single group. Therefore, in determining deterioration, it is best to look for the characteristic change. So of course, you don't need to memorize all of this. You don't need to memorize this one by one. You just need to identify the characteristic change. So here are the characteristic changes for our B1 to B13 type is kuha na siya same ra ang imo kitaon, which are the ratio of the 14A to 15A. So you just look at this and you can identify if asa siya na belong nga group, whether it is the first group, the second group, or the third group. So again, magkita ta. Sa B11 or the simple is 14A over 15A iya arrangement. For our B12 is tapad siya, meaning to say ang 14A o ang 15A nato kay naa siya sa high, mga high sila duha. For our B13 is reversed siya. Naa na sa taas ang 15A while naa na sa ubos ang 14A. And by that, same sila og mga application, no? Lens application sila tulo. Then we have the B14 wherein we observe the equilibrium finding. So after ma-identify nimo ang kining first group, second group, or third group ka siya, so you can actually see if ang equilibrium finding is okay or not. So this is the normal na equilibrium finding, 16A21 anya 17A20 ang sa ubos. As you can see here sa B14, nibali ang 20 o ang 21 na nasa taas ang 20 o na nasa ubos ang 21. Take note that it can be na ang 16A o 17A ang magbali or ang 20 ang 21 ang magbali, or it can be both. Okay? It can be nga kuan siya. Let's have an example. So it can be na 17, 20, 17A, 20 unya 16A, and 21. Makonsider na siya na B14. Yeah, after nimo pagkita sa equilibrium finding, you can proceed now with the B15. This is actually kanang science siya memorize ang kini. It is because na ang imo gi-compare nga is ang less than 5 na diop sa number 19. So you will actually observe here. So if low ang ato number 19, which is less than 5 a value, so we will consider that to be B15. And as you may have noticed, ang B14 agad B15 nato kay na siya lenses and visual training na. And then for our B16 or the sixth group of our deterioration, so it is identified when number 10 is low or low. So actually, kuha na siya 9, 10, 16B. So it actually opposes the basic typing of the 911, 911, di ba? Mga 1111 man sila. But in this case, if we identify that kuan siya, kanang B-type siya pero ang kulang na lang kay ang 10, we can assume that it belongs to the 6th group if ever number 10 ang yellow instead of number 11. So deteriorated na kay na siya, no? The same with the number 7, which is considered to be the most deteriorated, in which it also includes the number 5 being low. Ang katong, unsa ni siya? Muna siya ang ato dynamic retinoscopy at 20 inches. Okay? So, if kuha na siya, ma-consider na siya na 6th or 7th group, ang ato ma-apply na management is a visual training due to its complexity. So let's have an example here. So mo nang ato informative sequence na nakuha. And then we'll see if unsa ni siya na type. So ang iya typing and iteration is B1 6 type. So why? Ang imo kitaon sa is kini. So makaingon ka na nanay siya sa third. Okay, let's use a pen na lang. Kailain gid ang highlighter. 3. Nya kini siya. Na nabay inverse, no? Na inverse ang kining 20 og 21. So meaning this is our 4. Anya ato 19 kay na siya sa ubos, meaning fifth. And then lastly is our here kining instead of 11 himog 10, so 6. Since dili man low ang ato 5, so mo stop ra tangari. So therefore our typing will be the B1 and our deterioration is the 6. Therefore, our typing and deterioration is B1 6. So a record should be made of the case type and deterioration is determined from the above sequence. The A type and C type do not have any deterioration changes. All A type cases will be typed as an AB2 deteriorated case. So, unsa may pasabot ana? So, usually daw or most of the time kay ang ato kining A type, which is considered to be toxic according to the basic typing, is often paired with the B2 type. Nganong B2 type man dili man ang B1 type because ang sa B1 type is 16B ang naa sa ubos. Ang sa kuan manggod B2 type is 17B, which coincides with the A type nato. So our typing and deterioration here is AB21 or AB2 simple. Okay? Again, nganong AB2 simple na siya? It is because B2 iya basic typing. And then ato gi-check ang ato ratio of 14A to 15A. Pasado ra man. Ang ato equilibrium findings, pasado ra. Ato number 19 is pasado ra sad. So, wala ra siya deterioration for that. Therefore, mo na ang ato nakuha na typing and deterioration. Okay, this is another example na din. Mura siya wala i-change, no? Okay? So, unsa na ato kitaon nga rin? So, first, ang ato kitaon is kini. So, naa siya sa B2 na type, no? Lain lagi siya. B2 type and paired with the toxic. So, you can say nga AB2 type na siya. Pero, how about the deterioration? Ansa man siya? So, sa 15A, 14A, kay Consia reversed. So, this is the third group for deterioration. And then, ato 17A og 16A nga rin, kay nagbalisad, meaning this is the fourth group. And our 19 here is low. So, fifth siya. Then, next is our 10. So, dili man siya 9, 10, 17B. So, dili siya makonsider as the sixth group na deterioration. So, therefore, our typing and deterioration is AB2, 5. Ato typing is AB2, 5 ang ato deterioration. Then, let's analyze the informative sequence. Unsa man pagbasa ang ato informative sequence? So, for example, mo na yung ato informative sequence. Ang ato ra pagbasa ana is, if nasa taas ang ato 7 plus is patient is a hyperloop of a B1 type, full plus accepted at all points, greater hyperloop at far than at 40 inches because this 6 here is our intermediate finding now, which is the dynamic retinoscopy at 40 inches. So, ang ato gibutang nga kay greater at far than at 40 inches. Greater siya, it is because na siya sa high. Yung ato 14A, 15A nga rin is greater hyperloop at 16 inches than at far. So, of course, this is the expected finding dapat na dapat greater ang kuan ang refractive nato ngari sa 16 inches than at far. Okay? Kay duol naman siya. So meaning na nag-work ang imo katong near reflex. So dapat greater na siya. So if katong abnormal siya, meaning na siya deterioration no. Yeah. Next is subjective does not violate the habitual pattern. So kuan ra siya kanang ang imo nahatag na prescription which is the number 7 kay dili ra siya nakakuan naka-reverse sa habitual relationship, no? And then for our 19 is have sufficient amplitude for 16-inch work. Anong 16-inch work man is siya? Dili 13-inch work. This because, sufficient amplitude for 16-inch work. Anya, ang katong test sa number 19 is 13-inch. Meaning to say, na kay sufficient na ay murag na ay allowance para
And
sa
after that,
amplitude na maka-work
na-determine na to
on
ang
sa kanang
typing and
16-inch
iteration
na
niya
work.
as
B11. So again, ato ra kitaon nga ri. So B1 siya and then sa ngari sa ato ratio kay normal ra, equilibrium is normal and our 19 here is normal. So therefore our typing and iteration is a B11. And then you can have your practice wherein you will determine the typing and iteration and if it needs lens application or visual training or both, or if you have any management there, you can also specify what the patient may need in this case. So you can pause the video so that you may have time na maka-answer mo anha. Okay, spoiler alert. Ako na ay next ang slide. So here we have the typing and iteration nato no sa tulo nato ka items. So first number is ang iya typing and iteration is B24. So first again is imo identify unsa siya na basic typing. So B2 type siya. Anyang ato ratio nga ri kay reverse. So na siya sa 3. Okay, I will use pen again because kuan siya, baga ra kayo. And then here we have na reverse ang 20 ug 21. So 4 na siya. Nya sa 19 kay wala ra siya ni low, nara gihapon siya sa high. Meaning nag-stop ra ta sa 4. Therefore, our typing and iteration is B24. Nya unsa may na management, that would be the lenses and visual training. Yeah, for our second na practice here, so ato i-determine unsa siya na type. Ato na siya i-determine. So 16B man siya, 16B. Nya na siya 9, nya 10 og 5. So you can see na ano siya B1, B1 type ni siya, basic typing niya. 15A, 14A is deteriorated and deteriorated. Ang ato number 10 finding nga rin kay low, meaning 6 siya. And lastly is our 5 here, na siya sa low, meaning na siya sa pinaka deteriorated nga case. Therefore, ang imo ma-manage ra ani, management nimo ani is ang visual training. Okay? Then for our third na practice here, again, ato i-determine. Okay? Kuan siya, duha siya ka basic typings which are the A type and the B2 type. Again, ang A ug ang B2 type ra gyud na ang mag-come in pair. Wala jay mag-exist nga A ug B1 type, okay? Then as you can see here, nagtapad ang 14A ug ang 15A, meaning to say this is the second group. Normal raman iya equilibrium finding, normal, and our 19 is also normal. So therefore sa 2 ra ta nag-stop. meaning to say our typing and deterioration would be AB2, 2. Okay? Ato typing AB2, unya ato deterioration is 2. So, unsa may mahatag nato ani sa ato patient? So, lens application. And since it has the A type, if ma-determine sa clinician na toxic na siya, you would be having that patient, imo na siya i-refer to dental or medical na aid, okay? According sa laymanas na book, no? So I guess that would be all for my discussion about the typing and deterioration. I hope that you have learned anything. Actually, ang sa next na chapters is more on kuan na siya, like for determining na siya sa MSDA. So it would actually take 3 chapters para makitaan to siya na MSDA. And I'll be looking no. I'll be expecting you to watch those videos para maka-concept mo ato, maka-learn. And I hope to see you again. Thank you very much. And thank you. Bye-bye.